Why is this bird smelly, heavy, and flightless? This is the Kakapo, an endemic parrot species from New Zealand that's truly unique. It is the only nocturnal parrot and is flightless due to its large body structure. Its wings are too small to lift its body, which can weigh up to 4 kilograms. Its mossy green feathers with brown speckles blend with the environment. However, its floral scent ironically attracts predators. Kakapo freezes when threatened, a natural strategy that fails against mammals. This bird is nocturnal and spends most of its time alone. Its population breeds only during remove-rut abundance, every 2 to 4 years. The lag breeding system has males competing with booming calls to attract females. A male's booming call can be heard up to 5 kilometers at night. The female raises the chicks alone, males offer no help. With fewer than 250 individuals, the Kakapo is one of the rarest birds in the world. The Kakapo stands as a symbol of conservation resilience, a unique creature near extinction yet surviving. A bird that seems to have failed evolution actually shows nature's power to endure.